Washington. Reuters A U.S. District Court judge on Friday said she would release former Trump campaign manager Paul Manafort from house arrest once he meets certain conditions, expressing satisfaction that the $10 million he agreed to forfeit would be available if he ever failed to appear for court proceedings. In her order, Judge Amy Berman Jackson said to be released from home confinement, Manafort must execute documents agreeing to forfeit 4 properties, including 2 in New York, 1 in Alexandria, Virginia, and his Florida home. He will be subject to restrictions including a curfew and electronic GPS monitoring, but will be allowed to leave his home in Alexandria for his home in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, once he meets the conditions. Manafort is charged with conspiring to launder money and failing to register as a foreign agent working on behalf of the government of Ukraine's former pro-Russia President Viktor Yanukovych. He is being prosecuted by special counsel Robert Mueller, as part of Mueller's investigation into accusations of Russian meddling in the 2016 U.S. presidential election and possible collusion between Russia and the Trump campaign. In case the forfeited properties do not raise $10 million, the judge said, Manafort's wife, Kathleen, has deposited $5 million in an account and his daughter Andrea Manafort shanded $2 million in a separate account, to make up any difference. The assets cannot be touched without a court order. Once in Florida, Manafort must stay within the area, unless he is traveling to Washington for court appearances or meetings with counsel, according to the order. He needs permission for any other domestic travel and cannot leave the country. Reporting by Karen Freefold and Tim Amon. Editing by Susan Thomas and Cynthia Osterman. Or Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.